What's up, everybody? This your girl Cartel Cartier, and I am back with another video. What's up, CC gang? Alright, y'all, so just a little FYI. I changed my name again to Cartel Cartier. I know, guys, I said I wasn't going to change my name anymore, but I want something that's cute and something that's different. You know, something that's from my brand, and I feel like will attract people to it, if that makes sense. So yes, I went ahead and changed my name again. So don't be alarmed when you see a video and you're like, who is Cartel Cartier? I ain't subscribed to her. Also, guys, we went ahead and we passed the 400 mark. Thank you so much, guys. I literally cannot thank you guys enough. Thank you for supporting me, and just thank you for rocking with me. I love you guys. So with the name change, I'm going to go ahead and change my YouTube banner. So I feel like it's time to get a different one, especially because I don't want my previous name on here when my name is something different now. All right, guys, so let's get into this video. What you're going to need to do is get a background. I already have one. I went ahead and got, which one? Where is it? Okay, I don't see it on here. You guys will see it. But now I just need to get a YouTube banner. A YouTube template. And what you want to do, you're going to get this one right here. You're going to get the first one. So save it to your phone. Make sure you have PixArt. Now with this, you have a choice to make an account. I'm not going to make one because I'm just going to delete the app right after I'm done anyway. Okay. So we're going to start off with this. Go to add photo. Then we're going to set my background. This is the background I chose to go with. I chose it because I like this type of weather. This is the type of weather that I love. The cloudy, windy, rainy type. Okay, so go ahead and apply. So when you guys come on my page, I want people to know what my page is about and what they can expect from me and what type of videos. So we're going to start off with reactions. I've been wanting to do reactions lately, so you know, this is something I will be doing on my channel. Okay, go ahead and just, all right. So I do want to do a different color. I like to switch things up a little bit. Oh, this is cute, but I feel like it blends in too much with the background. Yeah, let's try something else. Okay, now this one is cute. Okay, okay, yeah, we'll keep this one. We'll go ahead and get the long words out first. Story times. I have a lot of story times that I think you guys would love. Okay, apply. Oh crap. Wait, hold up, I messed up. Alright, let's do this again. Let's put story times first. Okay, I think this is perfect. Alright, that's perfect. Color. Do this color, and then we're gonna do this color. Okay, yeah, that fits perfectly. want to make sure everything is lined up perfectly with each other. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the same thing I did for the beginning. I'm gonna just line everything up and then add my colors, and yeah, that's practically it. Well, not it, but you know, that's half of it. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Also, I want to start like doing advice. So for example, like if you guys need any advice or something, I could have like an email for that to, you know, where you guys can like ask me advice and stuff, and I could do like a video on it. Or if you guys just want to remain anonymous or whatever, then I could just reply to you via email like that. I feel like I can actually make a difference and help people because I can relate to a lot of things, you know. I've been through a lot, so I feel like I can help others, help encourage them and stuff. What else? For some reason, when I was thinking of this, I thought it was DUI. I mean DUI. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I thought it was DUI for a minute. Then I'm like, wait, hold up. Why do I keep saying DUI? Girl, is DIU. I mean DIY. Do it yourself. I was like, what the hell? Never drink and drive, guys. Don't, because not only are you harming yourself, you're harming others as well. Don't drink and drive, and don't text and drive. So many lives could be spared that way if people just made the right choices. All right, I should have made that one a little smaller. Okay, I still could. Okay. So let me see how this looks before I go ahead and apply it. Okay, that's good. Wait, hold up. No, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with my name. And we'll put it just like that. Colors, we're gonna do the same colors because I feel like this is really a cute color. I mean, normally I would like to mix things up, but this is fine right here. Okay, cartel. And it blends in with the background, the background, really. It blends in with the background so perfectly. All right, so on my YouTube, I only have one R because they wouldn't let me add all four. But we're gonna add all four for this. There we go. Okay, same thing I did before. I mean, you could do so much more with this app, and you could do your banners. You could be extra all you want, add whatever you want. I just like my stuff plain and simple. That's it. You know, I don't really want to do too much. I feel like this is good right here. Okay. Now, sometimes I like to add lens flare. I feel like it creates such a pretty banner. But for this, I don't feel like I need it. I feel like it's perfect just the way it is. All right, guys. So that's how I make my banners. This one right here, like I said, is just the easy, simple one to do. You could do whatever kind of banner you want. You could be as extra as you want. I just wanted something plain and simple. So that's what I did. Now, I hope you guys liked the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in my comment section down below to let me know what type of videos you guys want me to do. And I will try my best to deliver. And make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. Alright, guys. So this your girl Cartier. Cartel Cartier, and I am out. Bye.